Okay, we're going to continue with lesson 4, word list. We're still working with the closed syllables. Short vowel A, que es A, the apple. Es corto vocal A, the apple. Suena como apple. Ok, muy bien. Vamos a empezar. The V, en español, ustedes dicen B, la vaca, y B, the burro. Suena idénticas. Actualmente es de la diente en el labio. Mira, se mete el labio poquito en la boca. The, van, that. El labio tiene que vibrar, el diente en el labio voy a vibrar poquito. Siente vibrando para saber tú estás haciendo el V correcto. Van, that. Okay, van, that. Okay, van, that. That. Dab, dab, dad, dad, dam, dam, dan, dan, gab, gab, gag, gag, gal, gal, gap, gap, gas, gas, jab, jab, jam, jam, jan, jan, lab, lab, lad, lad, lag. It's aquí, and the G está aquí. G. Lag. Lap. Lap. And then con la Y, tu voy empieza con una I. Yam. Ia. Ia es de sonido. Yam. Yap. Yap. Wag. Wag. Zap. Zap. Muy bien. Okay, we're going to start with the lesson 4 sentences, okay? Like I stated before, the THA en las palabras the, como aquí, suena the. Saca de la lengua y déjenla vibrar en el diente. The. Debes de sentir este dientes vibrando poquito. The. Okay? Number 1. Sentence number 1. Dad had a bad van. Dad had a bad van. Number 2. Dad had a gas can. Dad had a gas can. Number 3. Jan had a nap. Jan had a nap. Number 4. Dan had a yam. Dan had a yam. Number 5. Can Dan gab at Jan? Number 5. Can Dan gab at Jan? Number 6. Can a cat wag? Can a cat wag? Number 7. Can a rat yap? Can a rat yap? Number 8. The lad had a lap. Oh, sorry, I read that wrong. Perdóname. The lad ran a lap. The lad ran a lap. Number 9. The man at the lab had a bat. The man at the lab had a bat. Okay, in a moment, I will start with lesson 5.